Okay, disassembly and assembly of the Vergueiro bolt. This is something that has caused quite a few people grief over the years. We'll try to make this as simple and as painless as possible. And that light, get some work gloves ready. It'll be much easier on your hands if you do it this way, at least for the most critical operations, which is the caulking and decaulking. Okay, so get it all together. So notice on the caulking piece you have the indentation where it is caulked. So we have to move it down to where it is uncaulked at the same time that that goes on the lugs. The bolt head and the locking lug. These two are lined up. This is the one with the slot. As we turn the caulking piece, this will turn 90 degrees down. So grab it like so. Decaulk it. A little bit of the gloves got caught in there. That could have been your fingers. So see how that has moved from there to there. Okay, so now we have to move the bolt head around a bit further so that the slotted bolt head is with the unslotted lug. Now once that happens, the caulking piece comes right off. Put that to the side. To disassemble further, you have to turn the bolt head around so the slotted piece lines up with this thick lug where the bolt handle is. Okay, so try to get this in focus. Now be careful once you get close to lining the two up, because that's when the spring will be able to pop out. Okay, see how it's come out there. Take the spring off. And now the bolt head has a keyway. So when you take it apart, it can only come back together one way. And you see the keyway is right there. And it has a corresponding slot cut out into the top here. So it could only go back in this way. So that's pretty much it for disassembly. That was the easy part. Now, putting it back together again. This part, you're better off without the gloves. At least until we get to the caulking part. Like so. This part you can do without the gloves. So remember, the slotted part of the bolt head goes in line with the thick rib on the bolt body. Move to the side. That will lock it into place there. Whew, get tiring after a while. Now you move it a complete 180 degrees further around to be able to get the caulking piece back on. There are keyways in the caulking piece also. I don't know if there's enough light here to show it. Okay? So, line up the two pieces like so. See, it's gone in. Now, it is still loose here, so you have to turn it 180 degrees around. Actually, no, sorry, just 90 degrees around, so that the slotted bolt head part is 90 degrees from the slotted bolt lug. Okay? So now the back part is no longer free to move. Now, the hard part here, back with the gloves again. Little time out. Okay, back on again. Now, the easiest way to do this, from what I've experienced, is to put it on the edge of a surface like this, and then just turn it 90 degrees. The bolt shroud and the bolt head. So just hold on to it firmly, hold on to both pieces, put downwards pressure at a 45 degrees angle, like so, and then you have it so that it is cocked and positioned properly, and you're ready to put it back in the rifle. Here. This is, by the way, a long, unconverted, still in 6.5 by 58 Portuguese Vergueiro. You put it back in. It closes, gets back in just like a regular Mauser with the bolt handle. And there you go. You are finished.